Hello guys, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to become a Canva creator. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Canva creator. Then after you will find this page, click on Become a Canva creator. So here you can choose what type of content you will be creating. I will choose templates to create free or full templates. Now click on Apply. To become a Canva creator, you must share a URL to your design work and your country of residence and click on Apply. After you apply, you must wait. They will become in touch with you after they review your application. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.